will lead your account to be suspended. One of the actions that we take on your account is it will be suspended for a few days. If you do not, if you refuse to comply and do not go ahead and comply with us, then your account can also become inactive. So please, we request you for all the relevant shipment, use green packaging material. Can I use security bag? Remembering from the previous question, sir, your material is shoes and you are already shipping, you already have a box from the brand coming up. I request you to stick a tape on that box and ship it in the primary packaging itself. This kind of shipments we called as ship only using primary packaging. If these they can, if you are sure that they can sustain the higher logistic distance, then you can go ahead and ship it using the brand box itself. You cannot go ahead and use security bag for these. Riya, can you take the next question?
Yes. Next question is by anonymous attendee. My question is, what packaging is used for glass material? Again, it depends from which region you are sending your product. If it is Maharashtra, you can use carton boxes, and you can also use corrugated sheet to cover the product from being damaged, and use a fragile sticker on it. If you are from any other region, again I would suggest you to use carton box and corrugated sheet, or else you can use Sejal. Other regions are allowed to use bubble wraps.
Other regions as of now are allowed to use bubble wrap, but soon we will also roll it out and they may not be able to use it.
Okay. So as of now, you can use it to use bubble wrap to cover it up, but do use fragile sticker on the box, so that the logistic person also knows that they have to handle it with care.
Can we send security bag packaging to other places except Maharashtra? Abhay Singhla sir, as of now you can use it, but in future we will be rolling out to other states as well. Can we go ahead with our own packaging for my product? Hira, sir, it actually depends on what is your product. If your this packaging that you're using for your product complies with a green packaging norms, you can go ahead and use it. What kind of packaging would you recommend for packing fragile items? For fragile items, maybe you can go ahead and ship it using carton boxes and ensure that enough padding is given to those fragile items so that it does not break in transit. If you are in Bangalore, for all the shipments that are going to other states except Maharashtra, you can continue with your packaging, sir. But for shipments going into Maharashtra, you cannot use bubble wrap inside. We have ordered green packaging material, but it's not being delivered. Tanmay sir, it currently the shipments are getting delivered late because of few restrictions we are facing because of COVID. So I request you to be patient. We will try to get this issue solved from our end. Uh, Dinesh Kannan sir, we are clear now. Nominee means any recommended supplier from Flipkart site so that you can purchase from them. As you can see, sir, all our suppliers have listed their product on our portal itself. So request you to go to our portal. Riha also shared the process few minutes back and order the packaging material. It will be delivered to you at the address that you mentioned. Riya, can you please take a few next questions?
Sure. Next question is by Guru Vignesh. How to pack terracotta jewels in the is the jewel box necessary? Mr. Guru, if your terracotta jewels come with a jewelry box, then yes, it will be good enough to safeguard the terracotta jewelries because they are fragile. If you don't have a jewelry box, then you can use a small carton box and cover it up nicely, as Sejal mentioned in earlier question, that use enough padding to safeguard your fragile item, and use a fragile tape on top of the box so that it is handled with care by the logistic.